Did you know that Black Friday is one of the best times to snag great deals for your MTRs? Today, we're going to talk about how to furnish and style your property without breaking the bank, and I'll share my top picks for must-have items on sale this season. Welcome back to day 12 of our series, Building a Successful MTR Business. My name is Michelle, and I'm here to help you through your real estate journey by providing you my story that will hopefully inspire you to take a leap of faith and build your legacy while impacting others. Today is a very exciting topic. We are going to change it up a little bit, though. In the light of Black Friday this week, I want to go over all the goodies that will be on sale, our must-haves for your MTRs. Also, like I do every year, I want to talk about the restocks that I do for all my linens, my beddings, and anything else I may have for my rentals that I may have gotten damaged over the year. I love picking them up during Black Friday and get just restocked, and it also allows me to get all my inventory up to par for the new year. So, as Thanksgiving approaches, I want to take a moment to wish you and your family a happy Thanksgiving. I am so grateful to have you here as part of my journey, and I hope you're finding all the videos that I'm doing very, very valuable to your journey. All right, so let's get started. So first up, kitchenware. So 30-piece glass food storage containers and a glass baking dishing set. That particular one, that is for $20 right now. That's actually like a huge snag because you want to have these in your MTRs. They're great for all the bakingware and all of that stuff. So second, 45-piece silverware and serving utensils, stainless steel, Martin flatware, and it's for a set of 8. It is half price, $23.59. Go get that. That's also, you always are going to need at least a set of 8. We always do times 1.5 of whoever's staying there. And typically on the bed count, if there is 3 bedrooms, we do 2 per bed. So that would be a total of 6, and we do 9. I know it sounds weird, but we'll usually do 9 or 12, give them a set, giving them extra. So, another beautiful 2-pack, 2-quart slow cookers. I know that the small ones, I know it sounds weird, but I use a slow cooker, I use a rice maker, and remember, sometimes they are going to be staying for 3 to 6 months. They will sometimes bring their stuff, but this is for $15. It's a steal. It is a steal. The pots and pans that I love, they are I don't even know how to say this, but karate. I don't know, you'll see the name there. Pots and pan set. So I love these, and these are on sale for $69.97. So these are awesome because they actually have the handles, and you can remove the handles and you can put them back on, and then they can store the actual store it into the refrigerator, so that's also like Tupperware. But I have tested so many different pots and pans. When I first started, I used to use the cheap ones, and then I did the Costco ones. These have been the ones that I really, really liked, and they're like a really good price right now. So check them out, try them out. I really, really like them. And then what we do is also, which is on sale, is a silicone cooking utensil set. I make sure that we get the cooking set where those utensils that you'll see, and they have the wooden handles, and so that it won't scratch any of my pots and pans. I can't stand when people don't understand to use a metal fork when they're actually cooking. So I even put a note, say, please be nice, be kind to my pots and pans. So I always put that in my properties. Next up, drinking glasses, set of 8. The short and tall glasses always need drinking glasses. So we provide glassware, plasticware, and short glasses. Obviously, coffee cups as well. But we do provide 4 different sets. of drinkware for individuals, and these are for $27.96. That's a good steal for 8. And then one of our favorite coffee makers is a Keurig. I can't believe I can't pronounce it. Anyways, this coffee maker is for $29.98. So we usually pay $60 for it. It's half off right now. Get it during Black Friday. All of this will be listed below. Most of everything I'm talking about right now is on Walmart.com. So we usually shop Costco, Sam's, Walmart, Target, and Amazon. Those are all of the ones. So these are going to be all from these different types of lists. So that Keurig machine, that's the name of it. Keurig machine. That's one that we usually typically put. There is, if you want to get a little fancy, there is a espresso machine, 20 bar coffee maker with foaming milk. Espresso, I'll show you here. It is on sale for $79. Like, I think I'm going to get one myself. I have an espresso here at my house, but $79, regularly $200. So yeah, you want to get that. The extra long oven mittens and pot holders, those are always good. We always get this one because they are easy. They're able to clean. They can wash them. I wash them with like dishwashing soap and stuff like that. Those pots and pans holders, $15.99. We usually do pay about $40 for them. One of the things that we never think about are the electric kettle water heaters. So we used to get like the older ones where you heat up the water. We just have a tenant staying or a guest staying with us. They've been staying with us from the UK for about, I think, a month, and they just extended again. And they do not drink coffee. They are a hot water tea. They like their cup of tea. So that $19.99. Regularly $54. You need to go get that. That's like a steal. So moving right along, we are going to talk about furniture. So if you have been in the midterm rental space or short-term rental, you know furniture is expensive. And even like when you get IKEA furniture, which I sometimes recommend, depends on what it is, or Amazon furniture, it's expensive, especially bar stools. And right now they have these bar stools, a set of 2 modern countertops for $56.99, regular $129. You want to go and get those. Like they're very nice. They are very versatile, and you can use those. The next thing is the dining chairs, the plastic lounge chairs. There's a set of 4. I particularly have only used this a couple of times, this set. They are very versatile and modern. I usually will get these and then I'll put a cushion in them, but they're for $60, guys. They're usually $200, $60. You can get them. I put the cushion in them to make them more, I personally don't like them, but they do look good, stylish. We do have them at some of our properties. So, for that deal, I would totally, that's a steal. Also, you always want to have throw blankets. Like I always like to have oversized throw blankets and so forth. $10 right now at Walmart. $10. So I'll provide like 2 or 3. I'll put one like in the living room, and then I'll also put some in the rooms. And for $10, that's a snack. I would like, definitely. So some home decor. We have some lamps that are on sale. They're regularly $100. These are the 3-way dimmable, touchable lamps. And it also has the USB charging port. Guys, I can't express this enough. Get lamps that have the charging ports, or provide them a charging port, because what will happen is they'll start unplugging your stuff to to charge their phone, even if they have teenagers. So you always want to have that. We have either now started providing the nightstands that do have the plugging station, or even these type of lamps where you can have the USB charging station. I promise you, it's the best thing. Some of our properties have cameras, and in those cameras, they are like charged, and the biggest pet peeve I have is when everybody starts pulling out plugs. So to avoid that, get these type of lamps. All right. The foam floor mats. These are a steal. So I like providing these. These are $28.99, regularly $50. I like providing these mats because they're just better than actually the ones that you can put on the floor and then they get dirty and then you got to wash them and all this. These you can actually vacuum over them and you can clean them and they're comfortable. They are very, very comfy. So I have these in my own house. I have these at the properties, especially on the midterm rentals. Bedding. So any of the mattress protectors and covers, they are currently right now $19. So you do always want to have mattress protectors and covers. I don't really do the pillow protectors because I do change out my pillows. I change, if depending on the turn, I will change them out after someone does stay there. I'll talk about that later. But anyway, these $18.99. There is a 10-inch queen mattress, cooling gel memory foam hybrid mattress box queen for $189. A lot of reviews on it. It's regularly $315. So if it's not here, I will put the link below for all my Amazons. The mattresses are on sale there that are good and that I recommend, that we've gotten compliments. Look here, we switch it up, right? So I like doing the memory foam gel foam, but I've done some hybrid ones as well because we just kind of have a different mix of reviews. But $189 for a queen, that's freaking awesome. We always want to have a good vacuum, regardless if if you have, I was gonna say grass, regardless if you have carpet in your actual at your properties. So they have a Shark Pet Pro cordless stick vacuum cleaner, regularly $249, guys, for $144. They also have another Shark vacuum, which you'll see the second image, for $98, regularly $200. I would highly recommend these. These are definitely things that you'll need. So outdoor stuff, 75-gallon storage deck. This, I will tell you, is good if you don't want to use an actual closet. So we have used these bins before for our supply closet, and you can utilize these and you can put them in the garage and then you don't have to actually have the supply, one of the closets being taken up because of the supply closet, and we put a lock on it, and then they could have all of the extra consumables and non-consumables in there. Or you can have this, like if you have a pool outside and you want to put the actual things in there for all the pool accessories, that's also something that you can use for that as well. That right there is, those are usually really expensive. They're for $70 right now. They're usually $150. One of these that if you want to get fancy, I actually really like this. It's the Maystay 48,000 BTU propane gas outdoor freestanding metal heater. Depending on what side, part of the country you are right now, it's really cold in San Antonio. $97, guys, $97. That is so good. Now, obviously, you have to provide propane, so, to your discretion. But just wanted to tell you the Black Friday deals. Outdoor furniture, a 3-piece patio bistro furniture set. They're always so expensive. It's regularly $300, $94.99. Outdoor lighting. These lighting we use so much. We use these in all our properties. I actually have them. We hang them outside. Sometimes we'll hang them from the tree. So right now they're on sale for $25.99. We always stock up on these because we know that we're going to be getting more properties. So we love to stock up on these and be able to decorate the outside. It makes a huge difference. Outdoor rugs, 8x10 waterproof patio rug, reversal, indoor and outdoor. The rug is $56.99. If you have not if you've not done this before, rugs can go up to anywhere from $250 to $300. They get expensive, especially at 8x10 for $56. Definitely go get that. A metal garage storage cabinet with locking doors. This is something that we needed for one of our quadplexes, and we paid $200. It's on sale for $119.99. And this is another way that you can have have it for the supplies closet. So that's another good one. all the games, guys, like we still provide board games, Uno, Sorry games, and all that. They're all on sale for $5. So I would definitely say go and get a bunch of those if you're going to start getting your MTRs up and going, or if you need to replace some pieces, $5 right now. And all this can be shopped. You can shop online and get them so you don't have to go through. I remember when we used to do Black Friday, you would go into, my mom would make us stand outside and we would stand, or I really never did, but my older sister, and they would stand outside early in the morning, like 3-4 o'clock in the morning in front of Walmart, Best Buy. Everybody had their list and then they would just run in. I don't remember if you guys ever know that. People got trampled and there was like things on news that people got like trampled. Now it's not that way anymore. Nowadays, you can just get everything online. And so my last one that I want to talk about, and this is why I laugh about it, is electronics. So we purchase all of our TVs during this time. We get the TVs on sale. Right now they have a 75-inch Roku TV for $378. I don't even put 75 inches in the actual properties, but maybe you have a really nice property and that you can utilize that or shoot for your own house. 75 inches. They have a 50-inch TV. That's typically what we put in the living rooms for $138, guys. Regularly $238. We put smaller TVs, 40 inches in the rooms, and those are on sale as well for $128. So all these links will be below. I did want to share this with you. There's so much more, but I again, get the list. We do bedding, linens. You're going to have JCPenney that has a huge sale. All these Black Friday sales, like with the towels, this is when we stock up. We always, I get a count from my actually inventory and my cleaning crew. And I'm like, okay, what do we need to get for, Black Friday? So I hope this will help you and encourage you to kind of look at the list and start to look. I know you're probably going shopping for the kiddos and doing that Black Friday, but if you're in the midterm rental space, you want to consider this. Or if you're looking in 2025 to open up a midterm rental, definitely get them. Because guess what? If you don't need it, you can always return it. So pro tip, keep all the receipts, right? And anything for warranties. For example, did you know that on a spice rack, which I'll have them show, this spice rack we always get it. If you read the box, it says 5 years free refills. So you just have to register. Do you know how many spice racks I have? We have so many. And so now we can have spices. We don't ever have to restock and do them again. I think I mentioned that in one of the other videos. But as always, if you are liking this series, you may want to join us for our MTR webinar that I will be hosting very, very soon. This will teach you on how to get your MTR started in 30 days and so much more. So if you are interested in going, please click or type below MTR webinar and we'll send you over the details. They're going to be coming out very soon because I want everyone to kick off in 2025 with all the stuff that we learned in the last 4.5 years and continuing to learn, but that you can put those all together and be able to get into the MTR world. So next episode, we'll discuss managing utilities and amenities, how to offer value to your tenants while keeping the costs in check. Trust me, I know that everything is all bills paid, so you want to make sure that you can keep those in check. This is a critical piece of running your successful MTR business, so you don't want to miss it. Thank you again for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving filled with love, with gratitude, and maybe a little bit Black Friday shopping. Until next time, keep building wealth and creating your legacy. Bye for now.